Rosemary water for hair. One herb is grabbing attention in the field of hair growth as more and more individuals turn to natural options for their beauty needs. If you are new to this channel and you like watching these type of videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for our latest videos. How do you use rosemary water for hair? First, prepare rosemary water. You can do this by boiling fresh rosemary leaves or steeping dried rosemary in hot water. Let it cool down and strain to remove any solid particles. Second, shampoo your hair. Begin with clean, damp hair. Shampoo your hair as you normally would remove any dirt, oil or product buildup. Third, apply rosemary water. Pour the rosemary water over your hair. Make sure it covers your scalp and hair thoroughly. Fourth, massage your scalp. Gently massage your scalp with your fingertips for a few minutes. This will help improve circulation and ensure the rosemary water reaches your hair follicles. What are the benefits of rosemary water for hair? First, it promotes healthy growth. Those with problems like thinning hair or receding hairline may see changes when using rosemary water for hair growth. Second, it enhances nerve growth. Age-related damage to scalp's nerves and follicle is possible. Because of this, hair has a more challenging time growing and which causes thinning and hair loss. Long-term nerve damage may be repaired using carnosic acid, a substance found in rosemary. Third, encourages healthy follicles. Healthy hair development might be hampered by inflamed or swollen skin surrounding by hair follicles. Fourth, helps prevent hair loss. According to studies, rosemary can help prevent hair loss associated with male and female pattern baldness. Fifth, it enhances scalp health. Rosemary oil provides comfort if you struggle with dryness, itching or flaking, giving your hair the assistance it needs to grow thick and healthy by soothing and moisturizing the skin. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video to your friends. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Thank you.